Hello, I'm Adam Manis. I'm an NPI engineer here at Deringer-Ney. Today we'll be discussing our automated assembly machine capabilities. At Deringer-Ney, we utilize many custom-designed automated machines to complete simple, repetitive tasks that require extreme precision. One of these tasks is assembly. The machine shown here takes a cold-formed pin and presses it into a molded housing to the correct depth and in the correct orientation for its end-use application. This machine uses feed bowls and rails, pick-and-place robots, cameras and automated tooling to align, load, orient, and press the pins into the housings. The housings and pins get loaded into hoppers that feed the vibratory bowls in the machine. These bowls are manufactured in a manner that shakes the component items into the correct orientation, then guides them to the start of the assembly tooling in an orientation that allows them to be easily aligned for the process. This machine is a two-up machine, meaning each full cycle produces two complete assemblies. The pins are aligned and partially pressed into the housings, and a camera verifies that they are oriented correctly in the housing. If the pin is misaligned, at the next station, tooling is used to orient the pin while pressing the pin into the housing to its finished location and orientation. Once pressed complete, another camera verifies that the pin has been moved to the correct orientation. If the finished assembly is deemed acceptable by the camera inspection, it is automatically moved to pre-prepared packaging off the side of the machine. The automation is smart enough to dispose of any product that does not meet customer requirements and segregate these parts from conforming product in station. While the machine can inspect product for orientation, in-process checks are conducted by the operator to verify that all product accepted by the machine meet additional customer requirements and are not being damaged by the automation tooling. Using fixtures and calibrated gauges, the operator verifies that the pins are being inserted to the correct depth in the housings. The inspected dimensions are tracked on run charts and used to maintain acceptable production. We hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of our automated assembly machine capabilities. We've certainly enjoyed sharing it with you. For more information, please visit our website at deringer-ney.com.